Thank you so much. Daldalan pa yung mga tao dun. Megan, are you singing for us today? Oh yes, Uncle BKM. She answered. Oh yeah. She answered. Okay, nice. Nice daw, Kiara Megan. I had a headache. Happy Mother's Day, Beriterang OFW. Megan hair so long now. Yes, so long now. Because she didn't cut Uncle BKM. She didn't have the train for the hair. That's why. Okay. Here in Saudi Arabia, Uncle BKM, you will really get long hair because the train for the hair here is expensive. That's why we are not going to the salon. Okay. Don't cut hair, Megan. Oh, wag mo daw cut yung hair mo. Kiara Megan. She didn't cut hair also, Uncle BKM, because she just had eyebrow tattoo. And it costs like $150. Yes, auntie, just let it grow. Yeah. Even me, Uncle BKM, I do it myself to cut my hair because it's expensive, you know. Let me see Megan eyebrow. Ah, okay. When we reach the villa, Uncle BKM. When we reach home, we'll see you in the villa. خلاص انا باجي لقيت المريض مسلمين بيقول لي انا ما عندي ساعه خلاص يلا نكمل لا احنا بنشتغل الساعه 9 ما بنقعد بعد الساعه 12 قلت له جيب من فاتك سكتنا المريض تسكن تبعي شيل عصا. Okay, on the way now. This is the coffee shop.